For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
MEIL has added another jewel to its crown. The major infrastructure company headquartered in Hyderabad became L1 in the most prestigious Zojila Pass tunnel in Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh in Himalayan region. The project that was stalled for nearly 6 years will now get wings. MEIL has emerged as the lowest bidder by quoting 4,509.5 crore rupees for the construction of Zojila Pass tunnel project. National Highways and Industrial Development Corporation opened the bids on Friday and MEIL topped the list by quoting less than other companies. It has been billed as Asia's longest bi-directional tunnel. Back in May 2018, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had laid the foundation stone for the project. Prime Minister Modi had said it is not a mere tunnel but a modern day marvel.
ये जोजिला टनल ये सिर्फ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का प्रोजेक्ट है ऐसा मत सोचिए, ये टेक्नोलॉजिकल मिरेकल भी है.
On January 3rd, 2018, the cabinet had approved the Zojila tunnel project with parallel escape tunnel between Baltal and Minamarg on the Srinagar-Leh section of NH1A at a total cost of 6,800 crore rupees. The project will be constructed in 2 divisions in 2 sections of about 33 kilometers. The first section will be the construction of the 18.50 kilometer road. The second section is the Zojila tunnel, which will be built in the shape of a horseshoe. The tunnel, which will be 14.15 kilometer 2-road lane of 9.5 meters wide and 7.57 meters high, is likely to reduce the 3.5-hour drive to just 15 minutes of travel. The strategic tunnel is proposed to include a fully transverse ventilation system, emergency lighting, continuous power supply, traffic logging equipment, CCTV monitoring, tunnel radio system, variable message signs. The proposed plan of the tunnel includes a provision for emergency telephones as well as firefighting cabinets every 125 meters, pedestrian cross passages every 250 meters, and motorable cross passages as well as laybys every 750 meters. In addition to these, retaining walls, breast walls, gabion structures and mud wall will have to be constructed by MEIL for a total of about 10 kilometers. Catch dams, air blast, protection walls and deflector dams are constructed over a distance of about 6 kilometers without any risk of snowstorms. The tunnel project holds strategic significance as the Zojila Pass is located on the Srinagar-Kargil-Leh National Highway at an altitude of 11,578 feet. The tunnel will provide all-year connectivity between the regions of Kashmir and Ladakh. This is important as the highway remains closed due to heavy snowfall during winters, thereby cutting off Ladakh region from Kashmir. The project will be constructed from the Zedmore Tunnel to Zojila Pass area. The company said the project is in a complex hill and its completion will take about 72 months. A 2-lane road with bi-directional traffic would have to be constructed on the Zojila route, which is called a single tube tunnel. The road consists mainly of shafts as well as portal structures and excavated areas. This complex project would have to be completed in just 72 months. Border Roads Organization has decided to improve the road travel facilities to all commuters between Kashmir and Ladakh. The project also includes a highway tunnel from Srinagar to Baltal. This tunnel road will be very convenient to Amarnath Yatra pilgrims. MEIL aims for time-bound completion of the project, which will give a boost to local businesses, linking it to the national market.